G'day, Corey from Rowmark Australia here today. Had a lot of customers asking us online and on the phones how to do the TriLAYER product. This is our TriLAYER product in the LaserMax range. As you can see, there's different cap colours, different core colours, and they're the 5 different colours. Today we're going to show you some artwork and we're going to show you how to laser the TriLAYER product on the flux laser. Just jumped over on the computer. I'm just about to show you how to do the artwork for the TriLAYER. I'm going to break it apart and do a DXF so that I can layer the red layer, the black layer and the white layer, because we're going to do TriLAYER white, red, black. So white top, red next core and black total core. Okay, so we've finished our TriLAYER, just taking it off the laser. The TriLAYER is a fantastic product, comes up nice and vibrant colours, your cap white, your first core red, the solid core, you can see the black there coming through nicely. We do usually recommend to clean the product with glitz so that you get all the sticky off and you get any residue off, but it comes up great as you can see. TriLAYER from Rowmark Australia.